In ClickUp, it's easy to delegate a task to one person or assign to multiple team members if more collaboration is needed. If you want to assign tasks to multiple people, make sure that you've enabled the Multiple Assignees ClickUp in your settings. You'll need admin permissions in order to do this. From there, it's easy to open up a task and start assigning it to people. However, you can also assign tasks in external views, like a list view or a board view. You can even utilize the multitask toolbar to select tasks in bulk and assign them to people. By default, you'll see tasks assigned to everyone in your workspace, but you can change this by clicking here. Choose the assignees that you want to see in the right sidebar. Alternatively, you can just switch to Me mode to only show the tasks that are assigned to you. Tasks can also be filtered by their assignees under the funnel icon here. Finally, you can always sort your tasks or add grouping by assignee to see who's working on what in just a couple of clicks. If you have any other questions about using assignees in ClickUp, just let us know at help@clickup.com.